How to set up Instagram shop. Let's get started. In order to set up Instagram shop, you'll need to log into your Facebook account first. Launch your Facebook account. You will land to this kind of page. Now you will need to have a Facebook page. If you don't have Facebook page, click on this option of pages given at the left corner. Open it. Now here you will find this option of create new page. Click on that option. In the case you already have a Facebook page, you have to switch your Facebook account to the Facebook page. Go ahead and click on the profile icon given at the top right corner. Click on the option see all profiles. Then select the Facebook page. Once you switch your Facebook account to the Facebook page, you're gonna land to this kind of interface. Now here you're gonna find this option of Meta Business Suite. You have to click on that option. Then you will be directed to this kind of page. If you haven't created your Meta Business Suite account yet, you have to create it. Once you land to this page, at the left corner, you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of inbox. Now over here, you're going to find different options. Click on the option of Instagram. Now you have to connect your Facebook Meta Business Suite to Instagram account. So click on connect Instagram. Click on login to Instagram account. In the case you haven't created your Instagram account yet, click on the option of create a new Instagram profile. But in the case you already have an account, click on the option of login to Instagram. Provide your Instagram account's details and log into your account. You will get this pop-up, allow access to Instagram messages in inbox. You can toggle on for this option and then click on continue. Click on continue again. Instagram connected, click on done. After you connect your Facebook to Instagram, you're gonna land to this kind of page. Now at the left corner, you're gonna find different options. Navigate to the option of all tools. Over here, you're gonna find different sections. Scrolling down under sell products and services, you'll find the option of commerce. Click on that option. Sell on Facebook, Instagram, or both. Click on get started. Choose a way to sell. Select the option of create a shop and then click on get started. Now you have to complete the various processes to create your shop. Once you set up your shop, you will be good to go. At the moment, this feature is not available in my region, so I will not be able to show you the steps. But once you land to this page, the process is very easy. You just have to go through the process, provide your credentials and details, and with that, your shop will be set up. Well, this way you can easily set up Instagram shop. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.